Hello, hello. Day 2. Surprised my husband on Valentine's Day with romantic food. What's today? Heart-shaped Asian orange chicken pizza. This is a perfect loop. If you loop in, you have to like and follow. Let's do the pizza together. Punch it down. Flour on your surface. Gonna roll this out hard so it's not a circle, kind of like a triangle shape. Folding the sides, make a crust. So now brush some olive oil. With a fork, poke some holes. Here's your orange chicken sauce. As you cook the orange chicken, on the top. My heart is full of chicken. Some mozzarella cheese. Let's sprinkle some here. Put it in the oven here. My heart is broken. This is so good. Got sauce there. This is like the best pizza I ever had. Here is the sauce for orange chicken. Let's make this. Soy sauce, vinegar, orange juice, sugar, this orange zest. The chicken in small pieces, marinate with some cooking water. And cornstarch. Let's cook this. Ginger, garlic, chicken, yeah. Add the orange sauce, water, chicken sauce, chicken. Let's make the pizza. This is really easy, simple pizza dough recipe. You can make any pizza topping on this one. Let's do this. Get a bowl, 1 cup flour first, then yeast, 2 1/4, sugar, salt, 3/4 of water, dry ingredients. Mix until the mixture. Then we add the remaining flour. Gonna knead the dough. Olive oil. And brush some olive oil. Shape as a bowl. Cover with a plastic wrap. Sit on the side for 30 minutes. Look how big is it. Punch it down. Flour on your surface. Through this 3 minutes. We are making this like little triangle shape to make a heart. So now we are folding the sides, make a crust, make a heart.